I decided to experiment with a new cookie recipe and I wrote down the ingredients as I tossed them in. I used a brown butter. I've never baked with brown butter and it was so good. What I made were Twix cookies. And before I added the caramel and the chocolate, I did bake a little bit of the dough to make sure the flavor was good before I added anything else, and it turned out so good. Okay, this is not pretty. I know I look a mess, but I want to test the cookie without the chocolate and caramel. Just made the dough to make sure it tastes good before I add all the other ingredients. So here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Has a unique taste. It's really good. Since the flavor of the dough is really good, I am now adding the chocolate. I would have used Ghirardelli, but I didn't have any on deck. And I only had a few caramels, so it wasn't as much caramel in the cookies as I would have wanted. But my daughter said you could taste the caramel in every bite, and she really did like the cookies. Wait, let's see. Wow, that looks really good. Okay, give it a try.
So delicious.
Stop being condescending. How does it taste?
It's so good.
For real? Are you just saying it? Yeah.
No.
Okay, well, there you have it. We have the Twix cookie. I didn't tell her what to say, so she said it's good. I thought the cookie batter was good myself.